Hi everybody, how are you doing today? My name is Jenny and we are going to start this video. This is a Temu haul that I got. I don't really have prices on anything for the Temu haul, like how much what was what. I can look real quick and see if I can get everything situated. Hold on one second. Yeah, I am not feeling the greatest. I have been so nauseous lately. I don't know what is going on with me. Yeah, okay. I should be able to. Okay. Alright, y'all. So, I have two different packages. So, this one is mine. I had already opened it. And then I have another package down here. It's really big, and I gotta keep. It's not big enough. It's too big for my desk. So I'm just like sitting it right here, and we'll go through everything. So this package, this one is mine. So let's just go ahead and check out some diamond paintings that I snatched up. So if y'all don't know, I am absolutely terrified of this guy. And my daughter, I guess because I'm terrified of him, don't even want to open. I can't pull this one open. Anyways, my daughter, I guess because I'm terrified of him, she loves him. Ugh. It's so ugly. Anyways, so you get your tray, your wax, and your placer. And then you get your diamonds on here. And that's what that is. Mr. creepy thing right there. And the price for that one was yo, I have been so nauseous. Alright, so that one's price was $3.98. So there's gonna be more than one part because, like I said, I got this little bit right here, which is mine, and then I have a whole nother order, which is not mine. It's actually my mother's, so it works out great. Let's go ahead and open this one. Oh. Wow. Okay. Let's see if I can find the pricing for this one. Y'all, like I said, I've just been so nauseous. I don't even know why I've been so nauseous. So this one was $3.98 too. And this is a 30 by 30. So you get your tray, your wax, and your placer. And this is the diamond painting here. Just like very pretty, like little bottles. potion bottles is what it looks like. It's just like very magical looking. I'm getting ready to go on vacation. And I need to pack up the house and clean up the house. It's just gonna be a lot. And we're supposed to be leaving tomorrow, so I got a bunch of stuff ahead of me for the next little while. Alright, here is another one, and this one was the pricing on this one, and this is on Temu, by the way, y'all. All orders, let's see. This one is, let's see. Alright, so this one was $4.80 or $4.48. I can pull it out. Ew. Let me pop that. Kind of broke it a little bit because I don't even care. That's okay. Okay, so this one is a 30 by 40. And it comes with your tray. And then your diamonds, of course. Let's match them and see. And 262. Okay. It is the Rose. Beauty and the Beast. I'm not like doing the stick or anything because honestly, all the diamond paintings I get from Temu, they're all pretty good. So I'm not really worried about if the stick's good because I seal them anyways. Y'all, I have been so nauseous today. And it's just like not going away. Oh, come on. What are you doing? I really would like for this to go in there. But yeah, I got so much stuff I gotta do today. And then I gotta make 2 videos. And I don't even know how long all these videos are gonna take me. Because I'm gonna have to do part 1, part 2, and whatever else. Okay, so these ones are the 3 big ones that I have to do. So this one is a 40 by 70. And this one I got because it's very much right up my alley. If I could figure out how to open it. So this one is very much up my alley. And this one I paid y'all, I am just not So this one was $12.07. So I think it was probably one of the more expensive diamond paintings. But once you guys see it, you'll see why. Okay, so this one came with 2 trays, kits, and wax. That's what this one came with. So I had 2 in there. Comes with the diamonds, of course. And then this one is the painting. Okay, y'all. Y'all know I like the weird and strange. So it is a spaceship that looks like it's abducting a human camper, because look, it has like a tent and everything. So okay. So that is cute. Okay. All right. We love that one. And then these ones are small looking ones. Not sure exactly what size these are. I'm not even sure which one this is. I think it's I paid $5.95 I think for this one. Alright, so this one is individually already kitted up. You guys, I couldn't even pronounce that. I don't know what's going on with my head. And then here's your tray, placer, wax, and some extra bags. So here's the picture. And this is a 40 by 40. So it's got a cool looking house. There's another one somewhere. But it's very, very cool looking. So yeah. Some of these need to be rolled differently. That's for sure. I'm trying to think if this one is one that I got for myself or for my mother. I'll have to look and see. I'm almost positive because there should be another one that I got for myself, but we'll see. I don't even know what this one is, y'all, so you'll have to bear with me because this one may not be mine either. And maybe my mother's. And I think this is from the same people. Yeah, tray things. Yeah. Okay, so this one. Another one. And then this one was $5.98 for this one. Very cute. Different sizes. Love that. Okay, now I'm going to get off of here and I will switch these around and show you everything I got from my mom in just a second. So if you are here, welcome. Thank you for watching. And I'm sorry this video was kind of rushed, but like I said, I've been, I gotta get ready. I'm gonna be going out of town. So thank you for, taking time out of your day and watching me and spending some time with me. I greatly appreciate it. And if you are new here and you like my channel, hit that like and subscribe button and become part of my family. All right, well, I will be right back.